So good day, everyone. So today I'll be talking on um the new day opening gap and how to understand it. First, the new day opening gap, you only be using it in a week. Like in a single week, you always have four new day opening gap. One, two, three, four. So how to get this and how to understand it is you first of all start from 18th Sunday, because that's when the market open, to Friday 17th. You understand? 18 p.m. You understand, on Sunday. The market close on 17 p.m. on Friday. So that's a full week, right? Now every 18, sorry, 17 to 18. Can you see this candle? Just look at that. Remember, we are in the 15 minutes, so it's not going to be actually showing the exact time. But every to 18, 17 to 18, there is always a close. That 1 hour. So from 17 to 18, market close on the 17th. That is 17 p.m. New York time. That's why I'm using 17 p.m. New York time. That is exactly 5 o'clock. Then 5 p.m. Then open 6 p.m. So that 1 hour range, 17 to 18, that 1 hour range, market used to close. So that's your new day opening gap. You extend it to Friday. You understand? This is the same reason I don't trade on Monday, because we don't have this on Monday. So I don't use it part of my trade. So since if I'll be trading on Tuesday, which will be around here, this will have formed and I can use this. Now, how do you make use of your opening gaps? Price we always want to draw to it. It's always a style, a way of drawing liquidity. Price we always want to draw towards them. You understand? So for this is your Tuesday. Yes, you can see 17, 18, that 1 hour close, market close, that's your gap. So 17 p.m. New York time, the close to 18 open New York time p.m. That's your range. You extend it to Friday. We have to now. So always know that price we want to draw towards it. Then I did the same thing for Wednesday and Thursday. Now, when you get on Friday, which also have its own 18, where market will be closing, you don't have to do that, because that will not be your new week opening gap. Here to Friday, that will be your new week opening gap. You don't need that. We're talking about new day opening gap now. You understand? So I took note of my dealing range, the highest high. So we had the high on Tuesday. The high came in on Tuesday, and the low was on Thursday of that week. You understand? Taking on my fair value gap. Price, see how price consolidated, broke through that, took liquidity here, went up, consolidated again. Then we have our um, Tuesday opening gap. See how price went lower, draw towards there again, towards the new day opening crash. We have our Wednesday opening gap. See the consolidation went, took liquidity down here, went back to that new day opening gap for Wednesday. That's on Thursday. That happened on Thursday. It crashed again. Then it went up from this rejection block. This is a rejection block. So price rejected it 1, 2, 3 times. Then we have our Thursday new day opening gap again. And you can see how price I was just going back and forth on that. So that is how you want to use your new day opening gap. It's always drawing liquidity. It attract price towards it. So you want to take note of that. And this is how you sketch it out. Thank you. So in this section we'll be talking on the new week opening gap. Now for the new week opening gap, you want at least 4 new week opening gaps on your chart for a proper perspective for large fund fair valuation. So you have to know that closing are not random price event and opening are not random price event too. So from um, Friday close, which is what we have here, Friday close. Let me move the chart so you can see it. From Friday close to Sunday open, those are not random events. You want to take note of that. End it 4 weeks. That's when you'll be using that. Then you have I did for this week again. This is for this first week, second week, third week, fourth week. You want to have 4 on your chart always. Price will always draw to that point. If you can see, just look here, look at here, look at this here. At the third week, price pullback still went to this week opening gap. That's the first week opening gap. Price really crashing down. Coming back to the last week opening gap, then going, see, from this week, the fourth week to the third week, opening gaps are always drawn in liquidity. They tend to attract price towards them. You understand? So that is how you want to use it. Now, this is on Friday too. If you draw another opening gap again here, you'll be deleting 1 from here. You just want 4 on your chart. So as you're adding, so let's say we're entering a new week now. If I get that opening gap, I just extend it throughout that week, and I'll delete 1 of these, and I'll be using those 4 as my price leg and looking what price to do when price gets to that area. Always obey those areas. There's some time you might be trading on your chart and you'll be wondering, you're not seeing any PD away or higher time frame, and wondering why the price actually take a turn at this certain price. That's because you're always ignoring the new week, the gaps, the new week opening gaps. You understand? So you want to always take note of that from now on. Have it in your chart. You can always use your visibility and just maybe put it in current interval. You understand? So you can only view it when you're on the 15-minute or any time frame you want to view it on. So always leave it on your chart and use that all time. So the asset we're looking at is the Dow Jones. So take note of that. And these are you just do it. Always use 4 and expect price to pull back. As you can see, these are clean pullbacks to certain price. Look at it here. Consolidate crash, price still went before actually crashing down. Went here again, crashing down, went back. So you always want to take note of that, please. Take note of the opening gaps. New week opening gaps. Thank you.